Open that thing up. Oh yeah, it's officially that time. Time to sage this bad boy. Let's do it. Oh yeah, take sage. Take light. And God said, let there be light, baby. Already I feel infinitely better. I'm gonna go ham. I'm gonna open the doors. I'm gonna open the windows. I'm gonna sage this whole thing. Command the space. Yes. Open that thing up. Rockin'. This is my space, baby. This is my space. Good vibes only, positivity, love, connection to the divine, happier existence, heightened spirituality. Yes. The bearded dragon, Sylvester, he deserves a good life too. There you go, baby. Walt loves the stuff as well. There you go, Walt. I know. Too good. Do the rest of the house. Yeah. You're open now, baby. You're open now. Only good energy in. Negative energy can leave this space forever. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Nothing does it like sage cleansing. Revitalize your spirit. Revitalize your soul. Reclaim your space. Command your own space. Demand what you want out of your space. That's what sage allows you to do. Get rid of that negativity. Get rid of any negative entities like succubi, sucking your soul down. Only things that keep you good. Only things that keep you positive. Feel better every time. Our sage is 100% organic, white, organic California sage. It's the best sage there is. Burns really nicely. You can even put in your food. I put it in my food sometimes. Really good stuff. Don't need to say anything else. I sage my crystals too, as you saw. Sage anything that needs to be saged, you know? If it gives you tension, if it makes you feel bad, if you get nervous in a particular area, if everywhere else in the house is fine, but there's one place you notice that you get angry, or you notice that you have a tension that needs to be saged, that brings it to energetic neutral, and you can do whatever you want with the energy. I really feel better. I needed to sage my place. Hope this was helpful. Open that thing up.